Hey friends, welcome back to the another episode. Today we are going to talk about 5 websites that will pay you for your writing. If you are one of my early subscriber, then you know that how I started my journey. I have mentioned everything that how I started my journey in my birthday video. You can check that video here. So I started my journey as a content writer from writing short articles to the writing big articles for the big company, then turning into sales, then learning marketing, and finally understanding the content creation as a process. So this is how my journey started from the last 2 years. And today I want to tell you about these are the 5 websites that I used a lot when it comes to find a writing articles or the writing gigs. I know there are few websites like Fiverr, Upwork, but today I am not going to talk about these 2 websites because the payment in these 2 websites are very low, and I am firm believer that you should not get very less payment at what you deserve. And everyone, most of the people who read books, or most of my audience who reads a lot, they loves writing. They want to write articles on the nutrition, they love writing on the travel, they love writing on the lifestyle. I mean, there are different topics, and you love writing on these type of topics. And a lot of people ask me that how you started, how you get paid for the writing. So these are the 5 websites I'm going to talk about that will pay you definitely good amount if you do it consistently and if you do it really hard work. Before we get into the websites, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates in the future video, any updates about the future video regarding the freelancing and marketing. So before I talk about the website, I want to share something really important. Something I realized is that when you start writing articles, you get confused that whether I will get a payment or not, whether I will get succeeded or not. Believe me, you have to be consistent for a long term. I mean, I did content writing for around 6 to 8 months. Then I got payment I started to get payments in the dollars. So if you want to do something that right, if you want to get paid for your writing, then make sure to do the hard work. You have to be consistent. You don't have to write copy pasted article. You need your own original thoughts. And fourth one is you have to be continuously active with all the platforms, all the latest news to write article, so you will get much better payment from these websites or for the client. First website is completely for the newbie, जो completely new है उनके लिए है, that is the Medium website. Because you have a lot of thoughts, you want to talk about fitness, you want to talk about lifestyle, you want to talk about travel, and you have a lot of topics to cover, then you should definitely go for the Medium. Medium pays you for their premium subscription. Whoever claps on your article, then you will get payment for that specific article. And from the starting, from the $1, depends on your article, that how many article you produce, how many articles you write, you will get payment for that. So Medium is really good for the beginner. If you have a lot of topics to talk about, and if you want to find that which topic is best for me, like I can write about medical stuff, I can write about engineering. These are my criteria where I am really expert and I can write really well. But if you want to find which is your niche, which is your expert, then you can go for the Medium and you can write different type of articles, and whichever you will get most claps, then you can decide that okay, this is the niche I want to go for, and then you can go for the other websites where you will get much higher payment. The second website is Vibrant Life. Okay, this website depends on lot of topics. Now you understand your niche, you know what is you are good at, then this website will definitely good for you because the payment is really good. And this website consists of a lot of topics. You can write about lifestyle, you can write about spiritual, you can write about nutrition, diet, fitness, travel, absolutely a lot of topics available on this website. And I really love this website because a lot of variety of topics, so you can try different types of article on this website, and you will get paid higher also. There are 2 types of articles available here. First one is instant articles or the short articles, which consist around 450 words to around 600 words, which are the short articles, around 2 to 3 paragraphs you can write on each topic, and you can get paid for that. And the second type of article are the big articles, not exactly big, but less than 1000 words article, which will pay you really high. The payment for this website varies from $100 to $300, which is around in Indian rupees 7,000 to 21,000 rupees for the articles, I mean, which is really high as compared to the Fiverr and Upwork. And believe me, these are the information that very few people know or very few people can tell you. So I believe that this video is helpful for you, so make sure you like and subscribe for this video. So the Vibrate article, you can go on their website and check the writing guidelines. There are a lot of writing guidelines you have to follow. Then there are mail IDs available. You can directly mail to them, pitch to them with whatever service you have, and you can start working with them. There is a lot of variety of topics available, so you don't have to get confused between topic. You at the same time you can work with 2-3 clients if your writing speed is good, if you can write really well, and the articles are really short. So I mean, 450 words to 1000 words, it's not a big amount to write. And also, if you are a reader, then you know that it's really easy to write on such topics. Third website is nutriinspector.com. Well, this website is specifically, as the name suggests, Nutri Inspector. This website is specifically for the people who are from the medical background and they wanted to make money as a side hustle. This website specifically talk about the weight loss or diet, then nutrition, what are the ways to lose weight, and different type of related fitness topic. But this website is really good if you are from the medical background and you can understand nutrition really well, what are the percentage protein and everything, that sort of things. If you can understand that really well, then you will get really well paid in this website, because medical or the nutrition or the fitness is a very high demanding field. There are 3 types of payments available in this website. First one is how to guide. I mean, if you can write ultimate guide like how to lose weight for around 3000 to 4000 words, then you will get payment around $120 to $180 for sure. Then there are second types of April, which I told you, instant articles, which are short articles between the 1000 words to around 2500 words. Then the payment goes around $80 to $200, I guess. And the third article is product review. If you like to review products about the nutrition, fitness, all these stuffs, then you will get payment around $50 to $80. So these are the 3 types of payments options available. The same way, you have to go to their website, check the writing guidelines and everything, and you can apply for it. Fourth website is Lisbeth, which is specifically if you want to write about the critical reviews, if you want to talk about the politics, if you want to talk about the innovation, startup, or the feminism, which is a very controversial topic. So if you can write on these kind of topics, then this website is specifically for you. On this website you will get to know about a lot of structure, how the political structure work and how the critics works. So if you are interested in such kind of topic, then this website is definitely for you. For this website, the word limit is around $1000 to $3000, and the payment on this website is really good. If you can write feminism enterprise profile, then the payment goes to around $250 to $500. Then the second are the political issue. If you can write a critical analysis about the politics, a very deep analysis about any politics or any political topic, then the payment goes up to $2000. I have seen that getting $2000 for my friends, and I know that how this website works, but I am not much into the politics or the critical analysis, so I never tried this website. But I have seen many of my friends working on this niche. So if you are in that kind of person about the true crime and the political drama or the feminism enterprise, then this website is definitely goes for you. The minimum payment is around like $150 or $250, and that goes up to $2000 for this website. So you should definitely check this website if this is your niche. The fifth website is listoversa.com. Well, this is around a wide variety of topics here. Then you can write about a lot of topics. You can talk about lifestyle, entertainment, interviews, general knowledge, a lot of things. But make sure you can write the original articles, because that's the first and foremost key of any writing. So the list website is available with wide variety of topic, and this website is available for everyone. I mean, general topics are there, so you can write on most of the topics and you will get for it. The average payment on this website is around $100. So the same way, you have to go to their writing section, read the guidelines and do the submission, and you will get starting with the writing. If you have experience in the writing, then that will be the advantage for you. But if you don't have experience, then you can first go for the Medium. You can write different type of articles and you can get payment from the Medium. Also you can get payment from a lot of different kind of works. And when you find your niche, then go on this website and start working with international clients, so you can get paid much more. Okay, Before we end this video, here are the few important themes that you should definitely follow, otherwise you will get rejected and you will feel demotivated. The first thing is, read all the guidelines in your niche, whatever you want to target. Read all the guidelines in that niche and make sure you have experience in that niche, otherwise don't apply. Second thing, pitch them based on your interest. I mean, what is your niche, and pitch them on based on your interest. Some websites don't reply you if your articles get rejected, so you have to be sure that whatever you are writing is so true and that is original kind of article. And some website will not, will not reply you even if you do not get selected. So make sure you do not feel demotivated. The next thing is, it won't be easy. I know, because I got rejected many times, and I know it's not easy to get a content writing job. But you are firm with yourself, if you are honest with yourself that your writing is absolutely good, then you will definitely get a job. This is how I started my journey. I got rejected many times, I lost many, I felt demotivated many times, but I know this happens. But you have to keep on trying, because you don't have any option. If you want to get paid much higher, then you have to do it consistently. You have to do the hard work. You have to pitch as many as possible, and out of that they will get selected and they will definitely work with you. I hope guys this video is very helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, make sure you like this video and put your comments on what your thoughts, what you want to do, and what type of videos would you like to see in the future. And that's all for the today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, tata, take care.